So hi everyone, in today's video we are going to learn about what is support and resistance. This support and resistance plays an important role in trading of any stocks. Doesn't matter, you may trade in a stock, equity, options, derivatives, whatever you trade. This support and resistance are very key factor to take decisions whether to sell or buy. So let's get started into support and resistance. So what is support? We will see this with a real-time example, and this is the chart of a particular stock called this Crompton. So from this video you can see this line. This is the support area. So what is support? Basically this is the point where the price does not go down further. So you can see here the price comes from this point to this point, and from at this point the price gets bounced back. And in the corrections also you can see at this point again the price gets bounced back and reverse, and also the same here. So 1 2 3 and all these points, these are the points we term this as support. So basically how support is formed and why it is formed, let us see that now. So this is the point where this particular stock faces the huge demand. So I hope you are aware of demand and supply, what is demand and what is supply also. If not, let's get through this quickly. Okay, let's compare the share market with any kind of fruit market or vegetable market or any grocery market. For example, if there is a very demand for tomato, what will happen? Obviously the price of tomato will get high in the upcoming days. So where the product gets demand, more and more demand, where more people are interested in buying, there comes the demand. If we look like that, this is the point where the demand is created, so that many buyers are interested to buy in these zones. Always remember, the support value for a particular market is always lesser than the last trading price. In this case, the last trading price of this particular stock Crompton is 363.45, it's around, and the support level is around 361. So basically what are the points we need to know? Support is the region where the market comes and gets bounced back, first point. And the second one is this is the zone where we have more demand for the particular stock. And third thing, this is the place the market stops further falling. And fourth one, support level is always lesser than the last trading value. This is support. So moving on to the resistance, now we are going to learn what is resistance with the real-time example. So this is a stock of a sale, and as you can see here, the price going up, and at this point get reversal and comes down, and at this point down, and again down, and again down, and again down. So what it means, there is some resistance for the price to move further higher end. So this is called as resistance, which means there is a lot of sellers entering in this area to sell their stocks, maybe because of they can book profits. So the point where the supply gets higher, where the price couldn't move further again, and the investors start selling their stocks, this is the place where the resistance is formed. So what happens when the price meets the resistance and it comes down? I hope you might have understood what is support and what is resistance and how it is formed. So basically where the stock meets the demand, it forms support, so that the price gets higher and higher and higher. And when the particular stock faces higher number of supplies, people start selling and the stock price moves down, down and down. And also remember, the resistance value for the particular stock is always higher than the last trading price. In this case, the sale stock is trading at rupees 81.10, and the resistance for this particular stock is formed at a price range of around 81.5. So Now what if these support levels got broken? There are chances it might broke or may not. So now look at this zone. When the price reaches this support level, the demand for the product gets high and the price went up. Once again the product came to this support zone and the demand got higher and it went up. So now in this particular place, what happened is this support got broke down. So once the support got broke down, the price of the share gets lower and lower and creates the new support somewhere around here or here. So this is what happens when a support got broke down. And in another case, what if a resistance got broke down? So in this particular stock of a Havels, we can see clearly this stock got a resistance at this zone once again and here, and also when it reaches resistance at this point, now this particular stock has broken this resistance level and got higher and higher and higher, which means here the supply has turned into a demand. The demand for the product is more at this point, so that the resistance got broken and the price got higher, and it may create some other higher resistance level. I hope now you understood the concept of support and resistance, how it is formed, why they are forming, and what if the support and resistance got broke down. And also remember one important thing: support and resistance alone is not sufficient to enter the trade. There are many other factors. Support and resistance are one of the factors to enter the trade. So we will see some other factors in the upcoming videos. Yeah, if you feel this video is helpful for you, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and kindly share this video with your friends who are willing to learn about support and resistance. See you in the next video.